In a previous video, I talked about how I traveled Japan and used IC cards loaded into Apple Wallet to pay for as many items as possible using Japan's tap and pay system. Since then, I've learned about other useful features that I'll share with you next. This is a new phone I just transferred my IC cards to. Looking at the stack of cards, you can see the differences I'm about to talk about today. In this clip of my Apple Wallet, it shows my current stack of Japan IC cards with my Prime credit card at the top. I only recently learned that I could have more than one of the same IC card, as you can see here with my Suica card, with each having a different balance. This is useful because the maximum value that can be loaded on a single IC card is 20,000 yen. At times when I want to stock up on yen, for reasons mentioned in my previous video, having multiple IC cards is a useful feature. Adding the additional IC card is the same process as adding the initial one. Tap the plus symbol at the top, select Transit Card, scroll to the bottom of the list to find Japan IC cards and select the additional IC card you want. Add the new card, then continue following the prompts to add yen to the IC card, after which the IC card will be added to your Apple Wallet. "18 months ago, when I first added IC cards to my Apple Wallet, loading yen would only work if I used an American Express credit card. As of 2026, I've successfully used my Chase Prime Visa credit card for loading. The benefits of using the Chase Prime credit card over the Amex is the Chase card has no foreign transaction fees. Considering I don't encounter exchange fees by adding yen directly to the IC card, and the Chase Prime has no annual fee, it's an ideal way for exchanging dollars to yen without having to pay any fees. These are my updated tips on getting the most out of using Japan's IC cards from within Apple Wallet. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section down below. That's all I have for now, and I will catch you in the next video.